Hey YouTube, Jay here from JT's Outdoors and More. Now, I know a lot of y'all are out there chomping at the bit, getting a little stir crazy, can't wait to get out on the water and go fishing, myself included. But in the meantime, hey, I got a little DIY project for you. Check it out. This is for live bait. This is a live bait bucket. Okay. For this project, you're going to need a cooler, which I found this one at a Goodwill store. You're going to need one of these battery operated bubblers. Now, I found this in the, where did I find it? It was at Walmart, the sporting goods section. You're also going to need some Velcro. I see I need to re-glue some of mine. The reason you're going to need Velcro is because there's a little screw back here. Yeah, it's a bit of a long-winded screw. Takes a minute to get it out. That's how you change the batteries in this thing. These things, they take 2D batteries, which mine are pretty old and need replaced. Actually, I probably should get some Velcro strips instead of these little squares here. Alright, and you attach it right to the side of the cooler here. And in the pest department, you can get this rubber hosing here. And that aerator stone. Now you're going to need some pretty strong glue to keep that in there, and it has to be waterproof. Waterproof and non-toxic. Now, because you're going to have live fish in here. And you're also going to need a drill. And I would say about a 1/4 inch drill bit. Drill a small hole in there. Feed your hose in. After you've connected your Velcro and everything and your bubbler. Feed it through the inside. And then connect it to your bubbler. Now you can make this as big or as small as you want. Now, myself, I have a pretty small inflatable boat, the Intex Mariner 4. Now this small, I'm pretty sure this even fit on a kayak. So yeah, you kayaker guys, you could probably even use something like this. Oh, and don't forget, you want to get yourself a fish net, which you can also find this in the pet department at Walmart. Now mine, I don't have a dummy corded yet. I probably should, that way I don't lose it. But in the meantime, I just keep it on the inside until I'm ready to use it. But all in all, it was an easy project. It didn't take much to put it all together. This was the most expensive part. This cost well over $20. So Be prepared to spend a little bit of money on this part. But yeah, I urge all y'all to build one. Yeah, it's actually pretty handy, and it burns up a little bit of time. Keeps from going stir crazy. Jay Thompson, out. Till the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And talk to y'all later.